This tutorial video will guide you on how to report all forms of digital rights violations on Ripoti.Africa platform. Log on to www.ripoti.africa and the website opens directly to the home page. At the top right corner of the page, there is a navigation bar. Click on it. Another page slides in which shows About Us, what can be reported, cases, contact us, and make a report. Choose the Make a Report option and you will see various drop-down menus. Choose the options which apply to your case. Use the two other boxes below to provide more information. On the right-hand side at the bottom of the page is the Next button, which takes you to the next page where you give additional information. Once you're done with this, tick the agreement box and click Submit. Your report has been recorded. Someone will contact you through the information you have provided.